that what you're looking for, honey?
Yep. This is what I want.
We'll record Mom making a buy. Try one on.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh boy. Warm?
What I want is what I have no mirror, you know.
Which one do you have more close? Try the brown one on.
Well, I think brown would be good.
Which one do you like, Greg? None of them?
So you can wear them on either side.
Yeah. Pretty nice.
Grande.
Grande.
Warm. But I mean, just no, but I won't come for it.
¿Tiene más pequeño?
Pequeño?
Más?
No. Total. It's this or nothing.
One size fits all, huh?
One size fits all.
It's nice.
Well, now if I do it like this, though. So I can walk.
Yep. Will she buy it? It's hard to say. Oh, those look nice. Watch out, David.
Hey, what's that? With that.
It's up to you.
Yeah. Por favor, eso. ¿Eres uno? Sí. 5,800.
5,800.
No.
Azul. Pretty colors. There's Dave. Yeah, that looks nice.
Had a mirror. No más grande. I think that's a good color on me.
Okay.
Had a mirror.
It's nice. Sí, muy bueno.
¿Cuánto? 5.000.
5.500.
5.500.
Sí.
5.040.
5.000?
Un buen descuento.
5.000.
I don't have any bed linens for the Yeah.
Yes. Otavalo.
See, now this guy's got his
Yeah.
not as basic as
Greg with us?
Yeah.
Everyone's closing down, guys.